Removing an SXM5 GPU board assembly. Make sure you have a Torx T15 head screwdriver, an alcohol cleaning pad, phase change material, and an SR675 V3 water loop service kit to perform this task. Remove the top cover. Remove the following components. Refer to the videos in the playlist for each component's replacement procedures. Remove the 7 Phillips No. 1 screws from the SXM5 GPU board assembly. Remove the 2 T15 screws from the SXM GPU board assembly. Hold the handles on both sides of the SXM5 GPU board assembly and lift it out from the GPU tray.